Hi, I'm Prab Kaur, and today I'm going to present my personal reflection presentation for our project analysis of house pricing in Australia, BYO Real Estate Company. So I'm working as a project manager, and I have fulfilled the role of project manager in this data analytic project. I will explain my contribution and reflection in this presentation. As the role suggests, I have managed all the project activities, including planning, work division, resources management, and other related tasks. The role of a project manager in any project is crucial for the successful planning, execution, and completion of the project. However, data analytics projects are often complex and involve a combination of data collection, data cleansing, analysis, and the delivery of actionable insights. The project manager plays a central role in ensuring that the project runs smoothly and achieve its objectives. I will explain some key responsibilities that I have performed as a project manager in the next slides. So these are the required skill sets. Project planning and task division is obviously the core skill of the project management, and one should definitely possess these skills to be a project manager. Team building and management is one of the important yet crucial tasks because team members have diverse backgrounds, different thinking, and different level of productivity and comfort while working in a team. Therefore, team management skills are very important for a successful project completion. Project manager encounters challenges during a project's life cycle. Therefore, they need to be skilled at identifying issues and finding effective solutions. A project manager must be adept at prioritizing tasks and managing time effectively to ensure project milestones are met. Communication skills are one of the vital skill needed for project management, as project manager has to communicate with the entire team, the client, etc. If the manager doesn't have sufficient communication skill, the entire team and quality of the project might suffer due to miscommunication, which led to ambitious. Another major skill is ability to conflict resolution, because while working on a project with different team members having different level of understanding and expertise, conflict occur often. These conflicts can be between the client's requirements and the team's performance, or between the requirements of the project. So the manager should have the ability to resolve these kind of conflicts. Moreover, I have also worked as a researcher, so the knowledge of research strategies and literature review skills were also required to accomplish this task with good outcome. Because research is not the simple work as it might seem to be. It requires the ability to review the related articles in a way that useful information is extracted without spending much time over reading each article. And if I move forward, these are my major contributions that I did in this project. The first one is project management. The second one is creating user story. The third is creating database and connecting it to Power BI. Fourth is data visualization, and fifth is literature review. So this is my first contribution as a project manager. I was responsible for project planning, managing the entire team, work division, follow up, and meeting the change management. If I go through each responsibility. So first of all, project planning is an important part of project lifecycle activities, because in this phase we plan all the tasks to be done during the project development. Therefore, I have conducting meetings with the project stakeholders to define project objective and goal, so that we can be clear on what the project will supposed to do. I have discussed all the requirements clearly with the client, among with the project timelines and deliverables as well. Then we have had discussions to conduct the feasible study and have developed a project storyboard in which our project scope was defined. Project approach to be followed, agile scrum methodology was selecting user stories were created. A communication plan was developed and project constraints were specified. If I move forward, team management, this is not as simple as it seems to be. Many conflicts and problems arise when we are working within a team, and you have to resolve them so that the project quality and deadline isn't compromised. I have assigned role to each team member as per their interest and capability, so that they can put forward their best to make this project successful. I have tried my best to resolve these conflicts and create a productive and friendly environment, so that all the team members can work comfortably and can share their ideas and solutions during the team discussions. Uh, Another point, work does division and follow up on the work done. I have assigned responsibility and tasks to the team members as per their role and have kept a follow up on it by foster collaboration and communication within the team so that no team member is left behind and I can be aware of if any of them are having some issues while working on the task assigned. I have encountered team members to help each other if any of them is stuck, and having a track record of the work done to ensure that we are going in a right direction and we are aligned with the project timeline. The last point is meeting and change management. Meetings were conducted with the team members on the WhatsApp and face to face in the classes as well for follow up on each member progress till date. And they are stuck if they are stuck somewhere or having any issue. Discussions were conducting for the problem solving. Agile methodology deals with volatile requirements and client is involved for the project development as well as our Scrum Master and our project supervisor was also involved. Therefore, when the assigning task is completed, it was collected from the team, so it can be delivered on time, and feedback can be um, we can get feedback from client on time, and if the work done is according to client expectations or not, we can check that. A change management methodology was adopted to incorporate the changes suggested by the client for making the project as per client expectations. So these are the evidence of my work collected from each team member, and these are the evidence that I have assigned tasks to the different team members and assigning the duration as well. And this is my second contribution. I have worked on user stories and created user stories. As a user stories are the core of the object development because the visualizations are created according to the user stories. I try to cover all the data aspects and creating useful user stories. And I have then categorized the print-wise categorization of the user stories, and then I have take care of testing the user stories as they are following the acceptance criteria or not. And this is the evidence. I have created user stories with their acceptance criteria and categorized according to sprints and give them some story points. Um, this is my third contribution. So I have worked on creation of the database in my SQL, collecting data and then creating tables and then creating database. And then I have connected it to Power BI. Here is the evidence. So we have created 4 tables, properties, sales, rented, and customer info. So sales and rented are the fact tables, and properties and customer info are the dimension tables in our project. So we have data according to that, and here we have created a star schema, and then I have connected this database to the Power BI so that we can create our visualizations. So this is my fourth contribution. During this project development, I was not only doing the management activities but also work on actual project activities. I have worked on development of data visualization of the user story in each sprint so that they can be used for analysis by the BYO company. As the project was divided into 3 sprints, so I have created as a data visualization of 5 user stories in each sprint by using Power BI tool. In some user stories, changes were suggested by the client, which I have acted upon and fixed them to fulfill the client expectations. So in total, I have worked on 15 user stories out of the 60 user stories, and then I have helped for designing the dashboard and worked on the home page, and I have added features in each page. So this is the evidence of my work done. I'll show you here. So you can see here, this is our home page that we have created, and this is our project logo, and this is our pages that we have created. We have created 9 pages in this project. So if you select on here, so it will take you on that page, and here I have added our project logo again, and I have added a feature animation here. Different kind of slices are added here, and page navigations are also added here. So in this page, I have worked on these 3 user stories here. If I move to the next page, I have worked on these two user stories on this page. And if I move to the third page, I have worked on this user story here. If I move to the fourth page, so in here I have added a different slicer with animation with price range here, and we have added, I have used worked on these three user stories, the first three. On the next page, I have created these two user story, residential versus commercial property and sale price trend by house size here. And on next page, I have worked on these two user stories here, and we have added different kind of slicers here, and we have given each page a different name according to the user stories we worked on this page. I have worked on first two user story or first two visualizations here, and I have added a page navigation and again a slicer of a monthly income here, so that we can will do the analysis according to that. And on this page, I have again worked on these two user stories, and here we are the slicer according to the different kind of properties. If we move further, so here I have worked on these two user stories here, average house sale price and average house rent price and listing versus selling duration. So in this dashboard, we have also added other kind of features like drop down, drill down. We have added the prediction ones, and we have added the tool tips. So we have discussed all that in our live demonstration already. So this is my fifth contribution. I have worked on the literature review. I have collected some data, some pages related to our project, and then go through it. And then I have worked on academic and commercial literature, and then I worked on research findings and selections that we have made for the project based on our findings. So this is the evidence, these are the papers that I have go through to gather the information. So this is the evidence that we have added on our report, and these are the unique things that I have learned while doing management of this project. I have learned that the management is a big responsibility and require excellent communication skill for effective management and healthy relationship with team members, and one need good skills of team management and planning for successful project execution. I have also learned that the team management is not as simple as it sounds, because you have to deal with all the aspects of the project, whatever that it's a issue with the team member and occurrence of bug or error, deadline or whatnot. Communication between the team member is an important factor for good outcome. However, along with the individual task, the manager have also to assist team members if they are stuck in between, and they have to motivate the team members as well. Moreover, I have also gained knowledge of Power BI tool and learned to use it for making visualizations that was used by data analysis for analyzing the aspects related to business problem. Creating informative and clear data visualizations was challenging initially because of data complexities, but then I figured it out and have developed very fine data visualizations. I have learned how to manage time and resources effectively and it has improved my ability to work on tight deadlines. Moreover, I have gained a lot of knowledge regarding leadership qualities, adaptivity, effective time management, resource management, and such as team management, task division, and communication, etc. Let's move to further. So these are the ideas that, according to me, to improve the course. So this course has touched all the necessary domains for understanding of the students. Each topic was described in quite detail, which helped me a lot while working on this project. However, I feel that there should be more exposure on business industry values to give student a deep understanding of real world business environment, because there is a lot of difference in the actual business market and the assumption of the industry. Moreover, a close look on the business market will be beneficial for the students throughout their career, and we should use real time data instead of static data, though, so that we have more information on business trends. And students should have a specialization option to select area of their interest, so on which project they want to work on, or which is their preferred one. So there should be online mentoring sessions instead of offline sessions, because some of the students are unable to attend the offline sessions due to the different kind of factors like time or work or other things. So these are my suggestions, and thank you.